The Ennova aluminum sliding window is designed with 2 interior single glass shutters and 2 exterior double seal glass shutters, allowing direct or indirect ventilation. This window, designed according to the water screen principle, offers exceptional insulation and structural performances. This product has been designed to obtain high energy performances and thereby reducing the energy consumption of buildings. Very durable hardware integrated into the shutter that is not visible or exposed while operating avoids any risk of breakage by the user. A design specially appreciated by a building manager looking for durable, easy-to-use, low-maintenance products for their user while reducing the energy consumption of their building. Its 6 or 7.5-inch frame thickness is available with different interior and exterior extensions to meet the various wall designs according to your project by ensuring optimal positioning of your window in the isolated part of your wall. The frame is provided with a multicellular thermal barrier made of PVC, assembled to a frame by mechanical rolling and crimping, eliminating any infiltration or water. The unique design of this window allows superior insulation, not only thanks to this multi-chamber barrier, but also by its airspace between its exterior glass unit and its interior glass unit, which acts as an additional insulation cushion, resulting in incomparable performances. This window is one of the rare products on the market tested with liquid nitrogen to simulate the harshest climates in our country. In very cold conditions, the window shutter contracts, increasing their bond to the frame, therefore increasing the tightness to it and increasing its air tightness. A completely astounding physical phenomena. The crosspiece molding mending the shutter and frame will be fitted with a double-layered weather strip inserted in the profile cavity. The exterior shutter will slide on a nylon ball bearing system with adjustable height and metal case, offering a tested capacity of 200 pounds per shutter for 25,000 cycles. This component will increase your usage with ease. The rollers of the interior shutter supporting the single glass will be in acetal, as well as the mesh screen. The mesh screen will be installed between the 2 pairs of shutters, so it can be operated from the inside at all times and therefore never be exposed to the weather. Lock handle ensuring closure is adjustable according to the desired height. Installed on each shutter, as well as on the mesh screen, it will prevent the shutter from opening from the outside. The glass is composed from 3 to 6 mm thick glass, separated by a space filled with argon, obtained by the means of a non-conductive interlayer thermal break. A low emissivity film will be applied to one of the interior surfaces of your glazing in order to attract or block the solar gain according to your air conditioning needs and your comfort preferences. Choosing the Ennova sliding aluminum product means reducing your annual energy consumption. It is also investing in your building by increasing its market value and, more importantly, offering you better comfort for your users for the many years to come.